With an objective to have electoral outreach program and to achieve 100% enrollment and voters turnout, and through analysis, the election department has selected a list of community where the electoral gap is above 25%. The program is called Mission Unite 2.0 UNI towards enrollment, Roll to Poll Urban Apathy Electoral Outreach Program. Chief Electoral Officer F.R. Karkongor told DD News that the focus is on certain clusters of polling stations where voters' registration gap is over 25% as against state average.
We will launch a kind of an enrollment drive to ensure that these pockets where the enrollment gap is more than 20%, where the gap is more than 20%, we will have a special campaign which is called Mission Unite Roll to Poll. So Mission Unite 2.0 is basically a mission to Unite stands for UNI towards enrollment.